Now, 100,000 people living around the Mount Agung volcano on Bali have been told to evacuate their homes as experts warn that a large eruption could be imminent. The mountain has been spewing large clouds of volcanic ash thousands of feet into the sky for several days. But Indonesian authorities have now raised the alert warning to its highest level. Airports have closed, leaving thousands of holidaymakers stranded on the island. Our science editor, Tom Clark, reports.
For days, explosions of steam have been hurling ash thousands of feet into the air. But Mount Agung has entered a new phase. Lava from within the volcano is now visible by night. The conditions the same as which preceded a major explosive eruption back in 1963, which killed 1,000 people.
The possibility of a larger eruption is very high. Some indications show that there will indeed be an eruption. Since yesterday, the eruption that happened has been accompanied by a sound of explosions and vibrations that can be heard and felt within a distance of 12 kilometres.
On the wall behind, a risk map showing the 10-kilometre exclusion zone around the peak. And there are risks aplenty. Rivers of molten lava are a possibility, but just as dangerous can be faster-moving flows of ash. It's raining in Bali, meaning rivers of ash mixed with rainwater as thick and heavy as concrete are already running away from the volcano. These lahars can become unstoppable following a major eruption. Around 100,000 people have been ordered to evacuate. Many have done exactly that.
We're coming back here because we were so afraid when we saw the huge, thick black smoke rising from the volcano yesterday. So we who live in the danger zone decided to leave.
But this eruption isn't expected to be as deadly as the last. The volcano is now closely monitored, and Indonesian volcano experts on the Pacific Ring of Fire have experience.
These guys are dealing with eruptions all the time. And what's brilliant about them is that they're one of the few organisations in the world that really works with the local communities. So they get the communities involved in terms of monitoring, gathering data, providing information to the scientists, because they are the eyes and the ears on the ground. Indonesia has a very good track record of really very low death tolls, considering the size and the scale of the eruptions they have.
But what no one can control is the ash the volcano belches out. More than 450 flights have already been cancelled in and out of Bali's airport. A bigger eruption could shut it for longer and cause disruption to large swathes of airspace over the world's fourth largest country.
Tom Clark.